super off the cuff video, how to finance a boat in 2026. This is going to be straight to the point. You guys have any questions, just call us. Happy to answer any questions. You can text us too. But the number one thing you want to look for in 2026 is boats newer than 20 years old. Pretty important. Once you get older than 20 years old, two things start to happen. Rates go up and terms go down. So you can figure that out on your own, but basically your payments just go up. So 20 years old and newer is going to give you your best rate in term. 10% down under 200 grand, 20% down over 200 grand. You're looking at the right time because rates this year are definitely down. And if you look at our earlier videos, I actually nailed it right on the head. I said that rates are going to drop between 25 and 50 basis points. That's exactly what they did. But 20 years is the maximum term. So if you're looking to finance anything over 50 grand, generally you can finance it for up to 20 years, which is pretty sweet. And there's no prepayment penalties on these either. But this is the meat and potatoes of 2026 model year. Mostly unchanged, but 20 years old and newer, rates are down. You can finance for 20 years. You get the idea. Call us if you have any questions, applications in the link.